Begonia is delightfully weird and wonderfully suspenseful, delivering something that feels both alien and deeply human. Acting-wise, Jesse Plemons and Emma Stone feel like two sides of the same coin. Plemons is filled with naturalism and sincerity, yet his motivations are so foreign that they feel alien. Stone, on the other hand, has very understandable motivations, but acts like a cold-hearted master manipulator. The resulting dynamic is both electric and leaves poor Aidan Delbus and the audience caught in the middle, unsure of what's happening, but along for the ride, giving this a 4.5. The design also has a lot to offer. For example, the film is shot in 3:2 aspect ratio. You rarely see that in Hollywood anymore, and it gives the movie an art house vibe that I really like. Honestly though, the standout here for me was the music, which is strangely epic. And that's not a bad thing. It manages to capture the emotion and chaos of what's happening on screen beautifully, even if it feels a little abrupt at times. So, this gets a solid 4. The story is turbulent and gripping, constantly keeping the audience guessing. The great use of subtext throughout makes things feel natural, and almost makes you want Jesse Plemons' character to be right. So, it also gets a 4. Now, the special effects are used sparingly, and when they do appear, they add just enough to enhance the scene. Things do get a bit heavy toward the end, but not quite to the point of distraction. So, I'll give it a 3.5. I'm also going to give it a half-point bonus for autistic representation, since Aidan Delbus is actually on the spectrum, and he plays his part wonderfully. Overall, if you enjoy odd humor and having your mind bent just a little, Begonia will keep you on the edge of your seat with a grin. Giving this a final score of 8.5.